Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add watermark in Excel. Now there are two ways in order for us to do this. It could be through a text or through image, and I'm going to show you both ways. So if it is a text, for example, what we're going to do is head over to Insert and then text box here. I'm just going to go ahead and write here, say for example, Vladimir tutorial, and then increase the size of this one, say to 40. And oops, from here what I'm going to do is head over to shape format, and then for the shape fill you have to ensure there's nothing here. Text fill, we're gonna go ahead and make some adjustment. Let's just go ahead and show this like that way we can see it clearly. And what you're going to do is that you have to adjust it through here. So I'd say somewhere around this one, this, yeah, I'm gonna choose this one right here. So that is the opacity that we are gonna use, and then you're gonna go ahead and make some adjustment here. You can make it bigger, and if, say for example, you want the text to be bigger, that's also possible now. um, let's go ahead and just increase it. All right, just say, so for example, something like that. Now if you are going to print this, this is how it's gonna look. So you have the option to see it before printing it actually. Now what if, say for example, it is gonna be an image. So I'm just gonna put this at the side. There you go. Hit the insert, pictures, place over cells, and then this one. So from this point forward, we're gonna look for our logo, which is this one right here. Insert, we're gonna go ahead and put it here. And since there's a lot of white going on at the top and the bottom, let's crop that. Right click, crop, and then we're just gonna use the one that has image of ours here. If you have, let's say, a background that is already transparent, that would be good. Now from this point forward, head over to picture, transparency, and then we can go ahead and make some adjustment here. So if, say for example, it's just going to be like that, it's going to be fine. Now let's go ahead and try to adjust this. Now what if, say for example, you want to be able to adjust this by yourself? You can definitely do that. So to find it, click transparency, picture transparency options, and then you can go ahead and make some adjustment here. All right, so yeah, this is a manual way to do it, but basically that should work as well. So again, if I'm going to click Control P, you can see that that is how it's looking. And yeah, that's how you're going to add watermark in Excel.